There are several ways to do these problems, and I'm looking at what you did up here, and I really don't see anything wrong with it. That's if I wrote the original problem down correctly. I mean, everything you did is correct. You get to a point where you have a base with an exponent, and the exponent's negative. To make the exponent positive, you take it to the other side of the fraction line or the division line. And in mathematics, we never present an answer with a negative exponent in it. It's kind of like not considered proper. So what you did is correct. If you're wondering how to get from this point to this point, or why they have that as the answer, is because of this rule. And you can see that anytime that you change sides with the exponent, the sign on the exponent changes, no matter which way whether you're going up or down with it. So I don't see anything wrong with that one. This one, x to the negative 2 all over x to the 5th, I guess I'm having trouble, y to the negative 4th all over negative, all raised to the negative 2. It looks like you did everything there correctly. You've got x to the negative 2, y negative 10, and then x to the negative 12th. Let me just do the problem over here to see where I take this thing. So we have x to the negative 2. I'll distribute this. I'll get x to the negative 10, y to the 8th. I like to make all the exponents positive, so I'm actually going to put x to the 10th up top. That takes it from negative to positive. X squared at the bottom. Keep y to the 8th. And then what I'm going to do is 2 of these cancels out with 2 of those, and I get x to the 8th. I think the answer, if I have the problem written correctly, should be x to the 8th over y to the 8th. Looks like somehow you got x to the negative 12th here. Even if I take x to the negative 2 over, x to the negative 10, and I take the negative 2, and I subtract from it the negative 10, I'm going to end up adding those. Negative 2 plus 10, negative and negative is positive. So I'm going to get x to the 8th. So, and then I'm going to have y to the 8th on the bottom. So I am going to, I don't know why this ended up coming up. This is in the denominator of a fraction, and you got rid of the fraction completely and kind of put it in the numerator here. But if you can follow this down here, maybe that'll help you with that one. I don't know. I don't see a problem with this one.